Before cataract surgery, my vision kept me from enjoying my art. As you can see, I love art and I like to see all my pretties. I like them out. And I was having a dinner party with some close friends. I said, I am really not liking how my art is looking at night. And that's what I started noticing. As my eyes were getting tired and at night, I never felt comfortable in my room. My paintings didn't look right. And I just assumed I needed to change the light bulbs. But in truth, my eyes needed help in order to see the art that was so important to me. I can't imagine living without these stories all around me. I went to McDonald Eye because of their reputation. I was impressed with them. I was really impressed with the professionalism. It was a good experience. And I decided, okay, this is where I want to be. And then when they built the new clinic, it was the place to go. Why go anyplace else? I mean, that's one of the nicest buildings in the area. Love the art in the building. I love the light in that building. There's no other place to go. I came away knowing that I was in good hands. I was shocked at how unnecessary all those years of delay and then just that actual day of being anxious. It was nothing. It was great. I love McDonald Eye. I like the way they treat me. I like the surgeons. I like the staff there. And I feel important going there because that's one of the coolest places in town.